Here is our list of the top 5 best electric scooters you can get right now. The Segway Ninebot Max G2 is a high-performance electric scooter designed for urban commuting. Powered by a 1000-watt motor, it reaches speeds of 22 miles per hour and has a range of up to 43 miles with its 551 watt-hours battery. Comfort is ensured with dual suspension and 10-inch self-sealing tubeless tires. Safety features include a traction control system, dual braking, turn indicators, and an electronic horn. Smart connectivity allows app integration, Apple Find My tracking, and customizable riding modes. With an IPX5 rating, easy folding, and a 6-hour charging time, it's built for convenience, reliability, and smooth city travel. The Unagi Model One Voyager is a premium electric scooter designed for urban commuters, offering a combination of sleek design, high performance, and portability. It features dual 500-watt motors, reaching speeds up to 20 miles per hour with a range of 12 to 25 miles. Built with lightweight materials like carbon fiber and magnesium, it is easy to carry and store with a one-click folding mechanism. Key features include solid 7.5-inch tires, an integrated dashboard, a mobile app for customization, a 2-hour charging time, and smart controls. The scooter also offers 3 riding modes, regenerative braking, and a bright LED headlight for added safety and convenience. The NIU KQi Air is a premium, lightweight, and portable scooter designed for urban commuting. Made with a carbon fiber frame, it offers durability while remaining easy to carry. It has a 700-watt motor, reaching speeds of 20 miles per hour with a 31-mile range, capable of handling 20% inclines. The scooter features dual braking, 9.5-inch tubeless tires, a spacious deck, and wide handlebars for comfort. Safety elements include turn signals, bright lights, and an electric horn. Smart features like NFC locking, GPS tracking, and app connectivity enhance convenience. Its foldable design, 5-hour fast charging, and 265-pound load capacity make it highly versatile. The Segway ZT3 Pro is a high-performance electric scooter built for urban commuting and off-road adventures. It features a 1600-watt motor, reaching speeds of 24.9 miles per hour and climbing inclines up to 25%. Its 597 watt-hours battery offers a 43.5-mile range, charging in 4 hours. The scooter has dual suspension, 11-inch off-road tubeless tires, and dual-disc brakes for stability and control. Smart features include Apple Find My integration, Bluetooth app connectivity, and a large dashboard. Safety is enhanced with traction control, LED lights, and turn signals. Its durable foldable design ensures a smooth and long-lasting riding experience. The NIU KQi 100F is a foldable electric scooter designed for urban mobility, featuring a quick folding mechanism for easy transport. It boasts smart connectivity via Bluetooth app, allowing users to lock and unlock, track rides, and customize speed modes. Powered by a 600-watt motor, it reaches speeds of 17.4 miles per hour with an 18-mile range, capable of handling 15% inclines. Safety features include a front drum brake, rear regenerative braking, LED lights, and turn signals. The scooter supports up to 265 pounds and has 9.5-inch wheels with suspension for comfort. Its 243 watt-hours battery charges in 5 to 6 hours, ensuring reliable daily commuting performance.